Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am here, Hamid Iqbal Khan, the third generation calligrapher, in front of you. Today I thought I should make a separate lesson about letter Jim. So have a look carefully. First of all, I draw 5 dots on the top of the page, and now I am making its head in proper shape. Look at the carefully how to make the head of Jim and how to start its circle shape. We make Arabic calligraphy lettering easy for Islamic calligraphy art learners. We measure the letters with the help of dots of each width column. I hope you will like today's lesson. Please watch full videos, and if you have any question about Arabic calligraphy materials, methods, etc., then go and comment. We will answer you. I teach Arabic calligraphy online. I also accept custom Arabic calligraphy orders. Don't hesitate to tell any challenge you may have for me. I will meet you in the next video, inshallah. And if you have any custom order about calligraphy, please contact us through WhatsApp. WhatsApp you can see in the profile page. Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz.